Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a trials passage and clear progress towards 7 flawless wins. Next, queue with a reliable fire team and communicate roles, map callouts save time. Once in, choose your ticket slot and prioritize immediate map control rather than stacking power. Make sure to pick subclasses and weapons that counter the likely enemy surge and use consumables if needed. This sets momentum. Early round wins compound toward that flawless run and keep your ticket valid. Once you're underway, focus on how and why rounds are won. Timing zone captures and denying enemy spawns matter more than lone kills. Rotate as a unit. Share revive responsibility so one player isn't constantly exposed. Use supers selectively to secure rounds or break enemy setups, not to chase kills recklessly. Make tactical switches between rounds, switch to heavy or PvP-effective grenades when closing a round. Maintain calm comms. Consistent decision-making converts close rounds into wins toward the lighthouse. In the final steps, play methodically. Avoid risky individual plays and force even trades when possible so you don't give opponents momentum. If you near 7 wins and hit matchmaking errors, stop and restart the passage or change ticket slots to reset search parameters. For connection issues, restart your router, check NAT type, and relaunch the Destiny 2 client. If teammates desync, re-invite or rebuild the fire team. One key tip: pause and reevaluate after a loss to prevent tilt and preserve flawless chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.